Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my go-to makeup. This is my going out go-to makeup. If you want to see how I did it, just continue to watch. First, I'm going to start out by applying my foundation. And this foundation is the Match Master foundation from MAC. And I believe my color is 8.5. As you can see, my eyebrows are already done, in which I do have a video, another separate video showing you how I do accomplish my eyebrows. So if you would like to see that, just look in the description box, the link will be there. Oh, and don't mind my little scully do-rag, whatever you want to call this. I was just trying to keep my edges fresh, okay? I needed them things to lay down for the night. Now that I'm done with foundation, I'm going to move on to concealer. And this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. After I apply my concealer, I like to spray it with setting spray, and that's the Badescu Rosewater spray. I spray it and then I blend it out, and I found that that gives it, you know, more of a like smooth look to it instead of looking like patchy and all that stuff. It gives it like a smooth, clean slate. So I spray it and then I blend it out. I don't think that I mentioned it, but the brush that I'm using is a Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. Now we're going to move on to contouring. I'm going to be contouring with the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the color Earth. And I'm going to blend my contour out with a Wet n Wild stippling brush. So now that I'm done contouring, I'm now going to set my face using Ben 9 banana powder. And when you see me blowing, I'm just blowing off the excess powder, because if I don't, I'll be looking like I just got out of a freaking casket. So I have to blow off the excess and then I powder my face. Then I spray it with more setting spray, of course, and I fan it so it can set in properly. Now we're going to move on to blush. I'm going to be using the Smashbox Trio. I think it's in the color Deep, and I'm going to use the blush that's directly in the middle with a blush brush by e.l.f. Now I'm going to take some clear mascara by Great Lash, I believe, and I'm going to place this on my eyebrows, and this is just to keep my eyebrow hairs intact and in place throughout the whole night and make sure that they don't move. I decided to pick Naked Drama lashes by Kiss, and this particular style is called Lacey, I believe. I'll find out for sure and put it in the description box. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and apply these. I just quickly applied them. But if you guys would like an in-depth video on how I apply my lashes, just let me know in the comments. And I'll be more than happy to do it for you. Now I'm going to do a little bit of eyes using the Boss Mood palette from Morphe. And I'm just going to take these two browns that I'm going to show you. And I'm going to place those in my crease. And that's all the eyeshadow that we will be putting on our eyes for tonight. You're going to see me use two different brushes to blend out the eyeshadow. The white one is from e.l.f. and the black one is from Sephora, but they're both crease brushes. And here I'm going to take the Spider Effect Colossal Mascara by Maybelline. And I'm just going to blend my eyelashes together and put some mascara on my bottom lashes. Just a little bit though. Now I'm going to use the Wild and Radiant palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to apply that with a fan brush. I'm just using every color in the palette. It's only about 2 colors, but they give you 2 of each. So I'm going to use each of those, and I'm just going to put it on the high points of my face or anywhere that I want there to be a highlight, or anywhere I know the light is going to hit my face. Now for lips, I'm going to use a brown liner and I'm just going to outline my lips. And then from there, I'm going to use NYX lip cream in Abu Dhabi. And then to top it all off, I'm going to put some Snow Day lip gloss on top by ColourPop. This is my go-to favorite nude lip of all time. This mix, this trio, this is it. And there you have it. This is the finished look. Super quick, super easy, but also very glam and very cute. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and just let me know what else you would like to see from me. But until then, I'll see you later. Bye.